Hello, amazing people. It's the OG here, Louis Vicari. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I am considering trains as a mode of transport. Look at this. And this. Wow. So this is how a train station is looking like in Kenya. And this right here is me with the round flames. But come on, join me. Let's go. On we go. So you guys, for all the times I have used this route, I'm always in a car. I have never had the time to even walk along this road, and it will be very weird if you do because there are no residential or bus stops around here. Alright, so as much as I'm headed to the railway station, you will be asking yourself, what about this railway line passing right above here? Okay, so this railway line is for the cargo train and it connects the railway station I'm headed to the Kenya Ports Authority that we just saw behind. Yeah, so another day I happened to capture this. Yes, that's the cargo train. And, so... Alright, the God of Earth. Man, this earth is beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, it's a little bit sunny today. But walking through this place, because just as I said earlier, we keep passing here in vehicles and all that. So I was like, I want to admire this sighting in person. There's a difference when you're walking and when you're in a car. Alright. So I just had to admire how the roads are looking like. Yes. And that, I think the road construction in Kenya is doing okay. Okay, a little bit okay. But I know we can improve. So, just as I'm admiring, in my mind, I'm like, okay. So the alien movies we watch. The alien movies we watch, they're like admiring Earth. They want to come to Earth. They want to see what the people in Earth do. And I'm like, damn, yeah. Okay, and right ahead is the checkpoint into the train station. Yeah, so all these vehicles have to undergo checks. So they just checked my bag and everything. And I'm like, bam, in here. Yeah, so right ahead, that is the railway station itself. And I have to walk. It's quite a distance. So instead of walking, I am jumping back into my car. So let's head out. Well, on we go. And ta-da! Damn! It's not the station, it's the clouds for me. Can you look at how beautiful this sighting is? And I'm like, oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my, I'm just happy. This life is for the living, man. I'm just looking around. I'm just enjoying myself. And damn, look at this place. Like, oh my goodness. This is the SGR Mombasa terminus. Looking all fly, looking amazing. I just got here. I'm so excited. And before I keep talking, let me alight, get through security, and I will see you on the other side. Yeah, so this is the security point. Let me see you afterwards. has been my short photographer, and I'm so grateful. Nice to meet you too. So we're headed to
Nairobi.
Nairobi, here we come. Alright, chill. Yeah, so I booked my ticket online, and after printing it, I am headed out to the final security before I can get inside this amazing building. So let me see you on the inside. So inside the station, this is how it's looking like. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So there are restaurants in here. If you come feeling hungry, you can totally get something to eat. But I never settled for the low. Yes, I had to go up. I had to go up and probably get a place to sit and get the views. You know me, guys. Yeah, so I'm just looking around and admiring. Look at this. Guys, so going around this place, I'm this person who just loves views. Will I ever stop admiring places? Because gets to my soul. And can you look behind me? Can you look up behind me, man? The infrastructure of this place is just wow. Look at this. Damn. I'm like, okay. Well, the OG had to find someone to hold the camera kama kawaida. Alright, so I'm just recording, and believe me, right now I'm just praying that the security that doesn't howl me out. Like, okay, so as I am looking around, I'm trying to find this girlfriend of mine, because I'm not about to like sit alone. Yeah, oh, and I just found them. They're here.
Oh, we are here.
Ew.
Yeah. Oh boy. What's this nigga doing? You flexing or something?
Okay, so guys, we are super right here, and we are about to like head up to Nairobi. Yeah, and our means of transport today, as you can see, we want to use the SGR. Damn, man, like we were here like super early. Like you guys, why are you here early anyway?
Hey.
Nobody loves the rush hour.
Yeah, nobody at all.
Okay, nobody loves the rush hour. So, like,
Damn, man.
girl, you look good. Oh boy, I don't know how this day is gonna be like, but I'm bringing you with us, so don't give up on me yet. Alright, 30 minutes after my arrival, this is how the parking lot is looking like. Oh my god. It's so full, packed with vehicles that have brought people who are traveling with the SGR. So this directly translates that a lot of people use the railway line for transport, that is from Mombasa to Nairobi. And this train is always on time. If you are late for just a minute, you are left behind. If it leaves at 3, it leaves at 3 exactly. Okay, so on we go. So I'm like enjoying the moment. We live every day, man. We die once, and this life is for the living. And right now, I'm on the leaving side. Yeah, so all roads are leading to the train, and you can see how long it is. Wow, wow. So well, so coming to think about it, I want to make this trip fun. So if you are live watching this video with me today, I have a few questions for you. Yeah, okay, we have a few questions. All right, question number one. You gotta leave an answer. Question number one. Have you used the SGR before? Yes or no? Question number two. If you have used the SGR, did you board the regular couch or the first class couch? And what was your experience? And question number three. In road transport, what do you prefer? Train or the vehicles? So question number five. If you prefer the train, what's the reason? And if you prefer the vehicles to the trains, what are your reasons? Oh my god, this is about to be fun. And me right here, I'm about to board. I can't wait to show you the inside, so come with me. Well, dear passenger viewers, welcome aboard. This is the standard gauge railway, and everybody has their masks on. So we just boarded the train. Recording it here is so weird, but we kind of have like what, 6 hours? Yeah, so it's around 3 and we are to arrive in Nairobi around 8 p.m. Yeah, so come along.
After toilets, our basin and display in the coach. There are protected.
So this is like the sink where you can wash your hands, and yeah. Actually looks and bam, just like that, we just arrived in Nairobi terminus. So me and my tired self are trying to figure out how to maneuver through the crowd that just alighted. Hey, are you seeing this? Oh my god, just keep your mask on. Right here, my mask is up because we are so congested. And you know, this is 6 hours down the line because we left Mombasa at 3 p.m. and we are arriving in Nairobi at 8 p.m. Yeah, so I'm like, I thought this was a good time to like, arrive in the city. My host, she will have got home, yeah, if she beats the traffic. Yeah, the one thing that kills Nairobi for me is the traffic. I hate traffic. Mombasa, there's no traffic. Yeah, and even if there's little traffic, it's always moving. So yeah, so come with me because how about I show you all the way, because this is how this station is looking like at night, well lit. And this is me right here just looking around, and I'm just trying to think like, where is my person at? All right, so my person is the Bolt driver. Yeah, don't judge. Yay. So the Nairobi terminus is a little bigger compared to the Mombasa terminus. Yeah, I think it's because it's the Syokimau station is close to the headquarters, so there are a lot of trains parking here, and and a lot of that. So I think it's just if it's bigger than the Mombasa station. Yeah, so come with me because I'm about to like step out here and reach my Bolt person to take me home. Yeah. Well, enjoy the views. Okay, so I just stepped out of the train station to like, get my Uber person, because the parking lot of the train station is full, like there's no space for any car to come in. So I just to step out to meet my driver outside. Yeah, so this is my ride and I'm headed home. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah, in the streets of Nairobi. Well, so these are some of the photos I took throughout my trip. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have watched this far, thank you so much. Asante sana sana sana. So please like the video, give it a thumbs up, man, it helps. Leave me a comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, please. I need you. And next week, I am taking you back to Mombasa with me because the beach is always a vibe. And my birthday shoot was lit. See you then. Bye.